We love trees. Forests give us clean air, clean water, support wildlife, build local economies, and make our lives better in so many ways. But there are invasive insects and diseases that threaten the health of trees and forests around the world. Historically, these invasives have wiped out towering trees that once dominated our woods, and each year more non-native organisms are accidentally introduced that can cause destruction. From the chestnut blight fungus wiping out our nation's chestnut trees many years ago, to the more recent arrival of the emerald ash borer killing off millions of ash trees, we need better solutions to fight these problems. Scientists around the country are hard at work trying to help these trees. For example, researchers are looking for the rare healthy trees that have survived when all of their neighboring trees died so that they can grow them and restore them in the wild in the future. This is where we need your help. Hi, I'm Ellen Crocker and I'm one of the creators of the TreeSnap app. The goal of TreeSnap is to connect you to real-world scientists who want your help in their research. When you download TreeSnap, free on Android and iPhone, you'll see a list of trees in your area that our scientists are interested in. Click on any of them and you'll see questions that our partnering scientists need your help answering. Once you've submitted your observations, scientists will have access to them immediately on the TreeSnap website, and they may get in touch with you about what you saw. In addition, you can keep track of your observations and manage your own research with our website data curation tools. Not sure which trees to observe? Check out our partners page and learn more about the different scientists we are working with and the projects they want your help with. Thanks for listening and caring about trees. A greener future starts with you, so visit treesnap.org to find out how you can help save our trees.